So I'm pleased to present one of our highlights at the trade fair Automatica 2025. So at this Automatica, we're presenting our first collaborative robotics solution, the Epson AX6. So with this robot, we are not just expanding our robot portfolio, we are also showing our commitment to innovative products and taking customer challenges serious. So the Epson AX6 is a universal genius with some extra features to also enter different markets like life science or pharma, or you can mount it easily on AMRs to use it in other facilities. So this robot can handle a payload up to 6 kilograms with a reach of 900 millimeter and only an own weight of 17 kilograms. So for a solid product basis, we also use or rely on latest communication protocols like TCP/IP, REST, ROS2 and Modbus RTU. We're also using the latest communication interfaces with integrated user lines. So this robot is perfectly made for toughest environments as well as clean room automation. So we're having a standard of IP54 protection class as well as an ISO 5 rating, as well as you can see, the surface is very smooth, so it's very easy to clean. So whether the applications requires human-machine interaction or high precision or high standard of safety, the Epson AX6 is the right choice for you.